So now the topic is neurohumoral transmission in the central nervous system. Okay, see, it will takes in a different phases. First stage is impulse conduction. Okay, first stage is impulse conduction. See how impulse can be conducted through the neuron. Means when sodium ions inflows into the neuron. Okay, when sodium ions enter into the neuron, then there is a development of positive charge, that is depolarization of neuron. This phase we can call it a impulse conduction due to influx of sodium into the neuron. So thereby development of positive charge in the neuron takes place. Next, neurotransmitter release. How neurotransmitter release can be happens? See, the calcium channel, the voltage gated calcium channel can be opened. Once it is opened, there is an influx of calcium into the neuron. Once the calcium will enter into the neuron, then that calcium fuses with the vesicles. Okay, then it will fluidizes the membrane. It will fluidizes the membrane. Then what will happens? Then there is a release of neurotransmitter takes place. Then there is a release of neurotransmitters will takes place. See, whatever the released neuron that will come and bound to the receptor that is present on post junctional membrane. Okay, that is present on post junctional membrane. Now that neurotransmitters are two types. One is excitator neurotransmitter, another one is inhibitor neurotransmitter. See, the excitator, if it is the excitator neurotransmitter, okay, so this is a stage 3, that is neurotransmitter action on post junctional membrane. See, if it is a excitator neurotransmitter, then it will causes depolarization, means development of positive charge in the post synaptic neuron. Okay. If it is a inhibitor neurotransmitter like GABA and glycine, it will makes hyperpolarization. It will makes hyperpolarization. So this is we can call as a action on post junctional membrane, that is either depolarization or hyperpolarization. Depolarization caused by excitator neurotransmitter, hyperpolarization can be caused by inhibitor neurotransmitter. See, next one is post junctional activity. When it comes to the post junctional activity, depolarization it will causes excitatory post synaptic potential. Okay, EPSP. Next, hyperpolarization that will causes IPSP, inhibitory post synaptic potential, IPSP. Okay, that is a post junctional activity. Next one is last stage, that is termination of neurotransmitter. Termination of neurotransmitter means how the neurotransmitter that can be terminated at synapse level. See, whatever the neurotransmitter released in the phase 2, that is neurotransmitter release stage, that released neurotransmitter, how it is get terminated. One is by the mechanism of reuptake of neurotransmitter, like this. The neurotransmitter that can be reuptaken into the presynaptic neuron due to the presence of reuptakers like transporter, due to the presence of transporter. Okay, whatever the released neurotransmitter is there, that might be undergoes enzymatic degradation. See, that might be undergoes enzymatic degradation. So with this there is a completion of nerve impulse conduction, that is neurohumoral transmission in the central nervous system.